Hi everyone, in this video I want to try to sharpen a Victorinox Swiss Army pocket knife with a kitchen knife sharpener. I got this one from Amazon. It's called the IQ Smart knife sharpener. I will put the link in the description below if you're interested. So let's try it out. I got a knife that's not sharp anymore, and I will use the famous paper test. Right now this knife it shouldn't cut very well. As you can see, this knife is not sharp at all. So let's try to sharpen it. Let's see what the instructions say. Insert blade in the sharpening lot, pull blade through lot, repeat until sharp. Okay, because you have like two, first you have used this one and then the ceramic fine one, so let's try it out. I think I should repeat it a few times more. I think that's more like it. Let's now try the fine one. Oh yes, I immediately feel the difference. So it actually does work, but you have to put some pressure and repeat it enough times till your knife is sharp. I don't know how much you're supposed to do it. They don't really talk about that in the manual. But yes, now it cuts a lot better. I already feel the difference. So yes, if you're interested in this product, you can get it on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.